back to my channel, guys. This is your girl Stephiie. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe this happened. Like, I got a notification. Let's just say yesterday I was very sick, so I was like tired, exhausted, and I had to go to work and I had no energy. I was drained, so I went to bed a little bit like tired, exhausted. I woke up and I was rushing to get to work, and I wasn't paying attention to my phone notification at all because I have a lot of them every morning. Because when I go at night, I put my phone on sleep mode so I don't receive any notification till the next day when I wake up. I didn't look at my phone at all when I was rushing to work. When I got to work, and then I was like, okay, I can breathe because I'm at work. I see my phone notification, and then I see that I received a message from Etsy. I thought it was one of those spam emails that they keep saying that, oh, you purchased something, you need to follow this before approving of the order, something like that. I don't know why, but I've been receiving that message like a lot. So I was like, oh, it's one of those messages, so I didn't pay attention to it. So I left it because when I saw the notification, that's what I thought it was. So I left it, so I turned my phone like on silent, and then I went back to work. I can't use my phone because I'm working, and when I'm working, I'm not like in the desk, like sitting down and working on the desk. I'm actually on my feet moving around because it's in the hospital. I think I was on the train. I said, okay, let me check my notification now, and then I remember, I said, oh, I have that notification, I need to delete it because it's on my spam and I don't want to see it because it's annoying me already. So I went to my Etsy app. On the app, I go on it, and then it said order, and I was like, wait, what? I was so confused. So I was like, okay, what do you mean order? So I went on it, and then it said you receive an order, this been purchased, blah blah blah, and it was for my cat beanie that I did. I was so shocked. I was like, what? I did receive an order? Like, did that just happen? And I was so confused. I was like, okay, what's going on? Most of my project I always do it for my best friend because she's the one that she wear it, and I'm the type of person that when I crochet things, if it doesn't go to someone, I don't feel like crocheting it, if that makes sense. So every time I crochet something, I know that my friend will like it, she will want it, so I always crochet for her. I was so shocked when I done that cat beanie, and I was like, oh, let me put it for sale, no one's going to want it, maybe I will wear it or whatever. When it sold, I was so happy. So I was like, okay, now that I sold, how am I going to do this? I need to like send them like her package. So I was like, okay, I had nothing, like I wasn't prepared for that. I did buy some things here and there for like expecting when I will sell down in the future, but I didn't get like the thing that I wanted to. And I'm the type of person, I prefer having everything in bulk, but because I wasn't sure I'm going to sell, I decided not to purchase it. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm just like, so I ordered like the food scale. I got my delivery. Now we're going to pack orders. I mean, we're going to pack that one specific order which I'm crazy in love with. So it's like, I'm excited. Right now I'm just, I don't know what to say. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I'm actually working on a new cat beanie. It's different. It's a bit a red and black one. Let me show you a little tip. It's like this, and you'll see it will be like the ear will be in like cream color, and then the body of the hat will be red. Oh, it's so cute. I wanted to do like the orange and white ones, which I'm going to do later. I don't know if I want to add yellow in it, so it's kind of like I'm still debating what stuff. But for now, let's continue unpacking. We got some raw packing, and then I got my thank you for supporting this small business. I got my printer itself, and the printer label. So I need to set up the printer and the printer label before we get started, which I think I need to do my research on. Okay, so that's what I have inside. That's the instructions, so I'm going to follow that and try to set up. I'm going to read the instruction very quick and come back when I set up the whole thing, because I need to make sure that I don't make any mistake and get distracted. So yeah. Now that I've finished with the label and stuff like that, I need to start packing. There's my basket of all the things that I made. See, have scrunchies, purple, this pink, green, gray, and this type of currency, and the top, and another top, but this is the one that we are selling. So let's put the rest back in. I just finished packing the order, the beanie. It's so nice. So now I need to go and print the label. Guys, when I tell you today I have a headache and I have stress, it's an understatement. Like, this is my first order. I didn't know that there's so much complication happening when it comes to order and package. It's like, I think I did finish with like the thing. Now I'm like, where did I drop? Did I need to go to the post office to do it, or I don't know. See, there's my headache. It's like, I never did it before. I never sent any package to anyone in my whole life, except for when I return item from the site that I order. I never actually sent anything to anyone. So the headache all day, not all day, I mean like for the past 2 to 3 hours, I've been like on the internet searching how am I going to send this guy Samuel beanie, because it was a headache. When I tell you, I had to search. My whole bed is a mess. I have like a box over there full of like paper, rubbish, and I have this. I don't know if I keep it or I'm supposed to put it inside. That's the invoice. I'm not so sure. Like, I think the invoice is supposed to be for me. See, I don't even know. Like, I don't think I need to put the invoice inside the package, do I? So there's my dilemma. I don't know. I'll keep this invoice. I will write. I'll find a folder for my invoice. I have all the package that I need to put away. When I say it was a headache, and guys, when I was actually putting the weight of the item inside to get the label, like to purchase the label, my item was 0.038 kilogram, right? You know what I did? I only put 38 kilogram. So the parcel said there's no available label for me to purchase because it was more than the actual limit that they have. And I was like, wait, what? Am I like tripping? I've been doing it. I went on the internet. What's going on? I checked like what other site I need. If I need to go to a different site, purchase a label and then put it on it and send it, and then maybe cancel that on the Etsy. Do I need to contact the customer? I was stressing. When I said I was stressing. So it was a mess until after I realized on my scale when it was in 0.038 0.33, and I was like, do I have to put the 0.33 for it to let me? I was like, let me try it. And I tried it, and it was actually right. Oh my gosh. The headache. When I say I have a headache from this, I have a headache for this. Now I think I need to go back and then fix my package thingy, because it's too much. It's too much. When I say it's too much, it's too much. So I have to do that. That's what I'm going to do. And my bed, I need to fix my bed for thing. So this is the end of this, because I packaged my first order ever. Like, no friend order, no family member order, a totally stranger I do not know, where he actually found a link. I don't know if he went on my Etsy shop to get it, or he watched one of my video and saw it and posted, or was it on my TikTok? I don't know. But thank you for purchasing, because oh my gosh, I need to start figuring out how I'm going to do this. But I'm very, very, very thankful for him for purchasing this, because it's kind of giving me like a motivation boost to say that yes, my stuff I'm doing, people out there may be interested. It may be one, at least I got one. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I was like, I'm in love. When I say I'm in love with this, I'm in love. I'm just too happy. Thank you. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I know that didn't show you the stressful part. I didn't know, because I wasn't paying attention to my camera, because I was too stressed to think about if my camera was filming or not. But I hope you guys have a nice day, and I thank you again for watching my video. I'm working on a new project, like a new cat beanie. You see, when you wear it and then the ears is in different colors, that's what I'm planning to do. So I hope you guys stay tuned until I post. Wait, I didn't do a video of it, but if it turned out to be correct, I may do a video of me crocheting a different color style, and then I will see. But this one, I'm going to post it on my Etsy shop. So if you guys are interested in any of the product I make, go down in my description. I have a link to my Etsy shop, so you may find something you enjoy there. And I hope you guys, I'm too excited. I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.